In Unit 6, we are discussing whether relational databases will eventually become extinct to NoSQL databases. Now, as a way of starting off, SQL databases, also called relational databases, are the type of databases that have got a table-based data structure and they've got a strict predefined schema. These databases are vertically scalable and they are usually expensive. While NoSQL databases, also known as non-relational databases, are databases that don't require a predefined schema and they allow you to work more freely with non-structured data. They normally have got different models. They can be document-based, graph databases, key value pairs, or wide column stores. Now, comparing these two types of databases, we see that relational databases or SQL databases have been around for so long, and until recently, they have been very famous and widely used. They support they have supported almost all use cases, and they are more suitable for data that is structured and unchanging, and also where you need ACID compliance. ACID is an abbreviation for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Basically, ACID compliance reduces anomalies and protects the integrity of the database. While NoSQL has been trending better for modern applications that have got a more complex and constantly changing datasets, where you require flexible data models that don't need to be predefined. NoSQL databases also are more suitable where you're storing large volumes of data that have got no structure, because they don't have a limit on storable data types. NoSQL is also more suitable where we're using cloud computing storage and also where we have rapid development. Now, if you look at the suitability of these two types of databases, you see that each one of them has got its own space in the database market. In my opinion, NoSQL databases have got many features that the traditional databases are not capable of handling without a lot of cost. However, I feel there is no competition between the two databases. They are both suitable for different types of use cases. Now we are in the age of big data. Now more applications that use big data are coming in. Obviously, this was a gap that traditional databases were not covering, and NoSQL is needed to cover this gap. However, there are a lot of cases or use cases where traditional or relational databases are more suitable. Therefore, there is no competition between the two. Each one of them has got its own space on the database market.